Hello, in this video I will show you how to connect Facebook with WhatsApp. Now, it's a very easy process. So, firstly open the application, then just simply click on the three lines or the profile icon at the top right corner. Now click on your profile. Now, just simply click on the three dots right beside See Dashboard and make sure that you already have the professional account. And after that, just simply click on Edit option. Now just simply scroll down till the very bottom of the page. And over here, you will have an option of links. So just simply click on add in front of the links. And right over here, just simply click on add social link under social links. Then click on platform and choose WhatsApp. Now in the username, just simply enter your WhatsApp number and make sure that it is in international format. Then just simply click on the check option. Now just simply click on the save option at the top right corner. And now your WhatsApp number is added. As you can see right over here in the about section. If anyone goes in your about section, they will be able to see your WhatsApp number. So that's it, and thank you for watching. And do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.